Step 1. As shown in the video, remove the original vehicle bolts and rubber plugs. Take out the factory mesh panel. Step 2. Unplug the original connector. Insert it into the corresponding port on the wiring harness. Plug the other end of the wiring harness back into the original vehicle socket. Connect the wiring for the grille lights to the wiring harness. Step 3. Confirm the placement of the grille lights. As shown in the video, connect the grille light plugs to the wiring harness connectors. Securely snap each grille light into its designated location on the vehicle. Step 4. Peel off the backing from the black clips. Adhere them to the indicated areas as shown in the video. Use the clips to secure the wiring in place. Step 5. Peel off the backing from the white clips. Adhere them to the indicated areas as shown in the video. Use the clips to secure the wiring in place. Step 6. Reinstall all original vehicle components that were removed earlier